Out of the hundreds of vegetables out there, what if just three of them could do almost everything your body needs? I'm talking about fighting the root cause of most diseases: chronic inflammation, boosting your immune system, protecting your DNA, and even helping your body fight cancer. In this video, I'm giving you three unique science-backed vegetables that go way beyond basic nutrition, and most people never talk about them. Let's start with one of the most powerful vegetables almost nobody uses. Vegetable number 1. Purple cabbage. The first vegetable we will talk about is purple cabbage, one of the most underrated superfoods on the planet. Most people know blueberries are great for DNA protection, but purple cabbage actually contains 2 to 8 times more anthocyanins than blueberries. These pigments protect your DNA, reduce strand breaks, and shield your cells from oxidative stress. In one study published in the journal Mutation Research, anthocyanins from red cabbage significantly reduced DNA damage after oxidative stress. Purple cabbage also contains natural compounds that help lower major inflammatory markers like IL-6 and CRP, plus a strong dose of vitamin C and polyphenols to power up your immune cells. In fact, a clinical study in Food and Function found that red cabbage extract reduced CRP levels, an inflammatory marker, and improved antioxidant status in just a few weeks. And when it comes to cancer protection, purple cabbage activates detox enzymes and even triggers apoptosis, the natural death of damaged cells. According to research in the journal Carcinogenesis, compounds in purple cabbage activated phase 2 detox enzymes and promoted apoptosis in precancerous cells. Barely anyone talks about this vegetable, but as you can see, its antioxidant density is on another level. Incorporate it into your daily diet. Use it raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or lightly sautéed to protect those anthocyanins. Our next vegetable is actually the most nutrient-dense vegetable in the world, but very few people include it in their meals. Vegetable number 2. Watercress. The second vegetable we'll talk about is watercress, ranked by the CDC as the #1 nutrient-dense vegetable on Earth, earning a perfect score of 100 out of 100, placing it above spinach, Chinese cabbage, chard, and even kale. What makes watercress so powerful is a rare compound called PEITC, phenethyl isothiocyanate. This compound protects your DNA and even helps repair it after oxidative damage. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming watercress significantly reduced DNA damage and increased antioxidant activity in white blood cells. PEITC also targets cancer stem cells and has shown strong effects in breast cancer, lung cancer, and prostate cancer research. Research published in Carcinogenesis showed that PEITC suppressed cancer stem cell activity and slowed tumor progression in multiple cancer models. And because watercress downregulates NF-kappa B, it lowers inflammation right at the source, the biological master switch that fuels chronic disease. In the journal Nutrients, researchers reported that watercress extract significantly inhibited NF-kappa B activation, reducing inflammatory signaling. On top of that, it's loaded with vitamins A, C, K, and immune-boosting flavonoids. It's so potent that some researchers classify watercress as a functional medicinal food, yet most people never include it in their diet. Add it to salads, smoothies, or soups, but avoid high heat to protect the PEITC compound. Our next vegetable is a powerful cruciferous root that activates anti-cancer compounds even more effectively than broccoli. And by the way, if you'd like a health guide with more vegetables or foods, write in the comments below. Vegetable number 3. Daikon radish. Our last vegetable is Daikon radish, and it has a secret ability that makes it incredibly powerful. Daikon contains an enzyme called myrosinase, which activates glucosinolates into anti-cancer compounds more efficiently than almost any other cruciferous vegetable. These metabolites protect your DNA from mutations and help your cells defend themselves against carcinogens. Research in the journal Food Chemistry shows that Daikon has one of the highest myrosinase activities among cruciferous roots, making it highly effective at forming cancer-fighting isothiocyanates. Daikon is also packed with anti-inflammatory compounds like ferulic acid and quercetin, and its natural enzymes boost digestion, which directly supports immunity. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that Daikon extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers due to its ferulic acid and polyphenol content. And in lab studies, Daikon extracts slow down the growth of colon, breast, and lung cancer cells. The The journal Plant Foods for Human Nutrition published evidence that Daikon root extract inhibited tumor cell proliferation in several cancer cell lines. Use it shredded in salads, fermented like takwon or kimchi, or by adding it to soups. Purple cabbage, watercress, and Daikon radish. Each one delivers compounds that help lower inflammation, strengthen immunity, protect your DNA, and support your body's natural defenses against disease. The truth is, you don't need dozens of supplements. Sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest, and they grow naturally right in the ground. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which of these vegetables you want to try first. And if you'd like a full guide with even more foods that fight inflammation, boost immunity, and help you fight chronic diseases and protect your health, comment below.